I'm Amrik Singh Arora and I represent Satkartar Glass Solutions. So we are one of the most organized glass solution providers throughout India, and we do projects pan India. We provide multiple solutions like glass railings, partitions, decorative glass, and multiple services where we provide and install our products in residential, commercial, and hospitality buildings throughout India. And we work with architects, interiors, and consumers. So anyone who's a decision maker in such buildings, so we provide our solutions to them. So my company is into existence since three generation, and I have been actively involved in business since past 12 years now. So at Satkartar, basically, some of our USP is that we have the widest variety of product line in terms of the solutions that we provide to our consumers. Secondly, since being into existence since three generation, we have surpassed all the levels of experimentation, and what we offer is experience to the client. uh, Thirdly, we are very uh, realistically priced. So we generally do not charge extra premiums to the people for any sort of a monopolistic product or any innovations that we do. So that's the value proposition we give to our clients. And fourth is that being very young and dynamic, I am almost involved in every sort of a project, unlike my peer competitors, where only executives work and the director or the owner is not available at client's discretion whenever they need. So I am always available for my clients. So that is again the personal communication or the personal touch that we bring in to every projects that we do. Basically, one fine day, I got a phone call from again a prospect, and he was really furious that I have been after your sales rep. I wish to place my order, but your sales rep is not responding. So please let me know if you guys are interested in doing business, or else I should move on to some other company who are in genuine need of business and wish to serve other people. So I tried and find out. I tried to find out that which of the sales rep was working on this lead, and why was this lapse happening. And I could not find any documentation being done as to which lead has been passed on to whom. Even though we were filing in Excel, we were just trying to sort out which lead has been given where and when. But there's so many incoming leads per day that it is really difficult to get them sorted. So that is when we were also looking out for a solution, when one of your team members approached us and he told us that I have a lead management software wherein you can record all the transition of a client from a lead to the client. So that is when I came across Oxid. Frustration is that I was spending my money, my time and effort onto all sort of things that we are doing right now also, but we're not getting the desired results in terms of generating all the reports that I require. Because the reports, frankly, are being generated once any goof up comes across, and then when you're trying to find out, you're spending your time that where is the lapse that's been happening. And even if you're if at that point of time you're not able to get the answer, then that is what is really frustrating. So that was the challenge that was happening, that we were doing all the right things. We were having a separate manpower to track all this. We were putting our time, effort and money over these systems of recording over spreadsheets, and not getting the desired result was very frustrating. Main bottleneck is conversion, Nitin. I believe that if we are able to convert faster, so any business owner would be happy. So through your software, I was able to convert more leads, and if not, then I was was also able to track the reasons behind it, because whatever is being said in front of me, I'll not remember that after half an hour. But once that has been, mentioned in a written format in CRM, then I can always, look back, go back to the lost leads and analyze that what's the main reason of us not being able to convert these leads. Uh, is it a price point? Is it us not having the right solution, or is it just the us being complacent about it? So I can always check all the comments being mentioned over there, and then I can analyze all this. Actually, I always thought that Orgzit is just a lead management software, and after using it for quite a while, now I know that it is just not a lead management software, it is the management of business that you can do. And with your help and your team's help, I have been recording all the transition from an order to the conversion of a client. Like we also track that when's the order being made, when it is going to be delivered, when it is going to be installed. So we are also able to track that, manage that. We are also able to make our quotations through your software and send it to client. So it's just one window solution for every sort of business management need. See, I realized that Oxit is beneficial within 3 months. So that is the reason I have been pushing all my SME Lala friends to move on to your system. That is point one. And point two is that in terms of return on investment, I'll give you 100x definitely. But these all are intangible benefits. Tangible benefits, your anyone's balance sheet would show that at such a nominal cost, if we are able to increase our turnover, then it is any day worth it. But it just makes your life simpler here. I don't need to run after people. I can just take the reporting on this software on cloud, and I do not need to sit face to face with them, ignoring all the important calls I get or they're getting, and then I have to discuss all the leads in person with them. So that's not happening. I can check your software even at 2 a.m. at night or 6 a.m. in the morning. So whenever I have time, I can go through that what's been happening in my organization and who is doing what. So for me, more than numbers definitely the turnover has increased, but again, Oxit is a major part due to which all this is happening. But there are other factors too. So it's not only the numbers; it is more of hundreds or thousands of intangible benefits that I see in your software than the number game. The biggest impact is that I now know all the in and outs of my business, and see, I have a pretty small team of 25, 30 people, and basically, I'm such a person that I do not want to poke them every time that what are you doing, what's been happening, because I need to give them that space, and I need to have that results also. So for me, it is always beneficial that I can visit your software anytime I want, look what's happening, screw them up if they're not working properly, put them a text message, and then take the review. So that is the biggest benefit, that I can give them the space whenever I wish to, but I can also check that what where they goofing around, whether they're doing their work properly on time in system or not. So I can make more time for myself and for themselves also. As I told you, I was looking for again a company who can help me manage my leads, and it was just luck by chance that Saurabh, one of your team members, called me up during that time also. So I was one of the hottest lead for you, because I was also looking out for such system. So me and Saurabh met and we instantly clicked, and that's how we got into business with each other. Basically, you guys helped me to analyze that what all I needed, and through your constant support, I have been able to decide that what all parameters I need to see on micro level and on macro level. So as a SME business owner, see, we are not being taught all of these factors in any B school or in any anywhere else. So you guys helped me analyze this, and over a period of time, whenever I wanted these amendments to happen in my system, you and your team is always available. So that's the biggest motivation for me to being stuck with you guys rather being jumping onto anyone who's again a bigger brand, a one who's the talk of the town but not available in front of you. So I like to work with people who are always available for their clients, and you have been. See, in terms of service perspective, I have been able to, give the target dates to my client, to my sales team, and to my coordination team as well. So that is how I have been able to push them to deliver on time. And in terms of product perspective, I believe that I have so many product lines that until unless we have this system available, I believe I won't be able to sell so much, because until unless you're working on computers or any such system who's into all sort of uh, recording everything needed. I like the feature of customization, and the best thing is that I have multiple thoughts within my mind and I have you available with me. So I discuss those thought processes with you, and you can customize or make your system tweak a bit according to my need or according to my thought. So that's the best feature of Oxid. Yeah, I've been recommending you guys to whosoever I come across, even if they are considering your competitors also. I compel them to try Oxid because I am one of your most satisfied customers, and I say that very very bluntly because of not only the product but also the services that you guys give, and just like me, you're always available to help me. So that's the biggest takeaway I have. If they wish to get more sorted in life and in business, and if they wish to increase their turnover, they should definitely give it a try, and it's worth the investment being made. And everyone has their own merits and demerits, so it is definitely worth a try.